Is your GTIN exemption getting denied on Amazon? Struggling to list products without a GTIN? And getting confused by rejections and unclear guidelines? In this video, we'll explain why your GTIN exemption gets denied and how to fix it. Let's get started. First, a quick recap. A GTIN, also known as Global Trade Item Number, is a unique code similar to a UPC or EAN used to identify products and generate or find an ASIN when listing on Amazon. You can apply for a GTIN exemption if your products don't have one. However, not every application gets approved. Here's why your GTIN exemption might be denied. First, wrong or incomplete brand information. GTIN exemption rules are strict. Missing any can lead to rejection. Here are the requirements. 1. Branding or publisher must be permanently affixed on the packaging or printed on the product. 2. Amazon requires the brand name to match exactly what's on the product or packaging. Even slight mismatches in brand details are rejected. 3. Images should be real-world pictures of the products, meaning that the product and packaging can be held or placed on a table while you capture the image. Plus, images should show all sides of your product. Computer-generated photos or digital enhancements are not accepted. 4. Product pictures provided in the application should be auditable and not blurry or truncated. The text in the images, like the brand, must be legible. 5. Product images should match the category that you selected for GTIN exemption. For example, a brand called A owned by its company B was denied because Amazon insistently asked for proof under the company name instead of the brand name due to confusion. Thus, always double-check brand details and use clear, real-world photos with accurate branding. Second, products already have a GS1 approved barcode. Clearly, in this case, Amazon won't approve GTIN exemptions for your products or brands. Take an example on Amazon Seller Forum. A seller's UPC exemption application was denied because Amazon found the brand already used GS1 barcodes on its products. Here's a tip, and double-check and ensure your product doesn't have a GS1 barcode. Lastly, category level restrictions. If your product is in a restricted category, Amazon requires not just a GTIN exemption, but also category level approval to list it. So don't forget to apply or your request may be denied. Or if you're listing a published book, it must have a valid publisher name. Using generic as the publisher or manufacturer will result in your request being denied. So before applying, confirm category requirements and provide correct details to avoid rejection. If you've checked everything and still think your application was denied unfairly, open a case, provide all the necessary details, and get support from Amazon Seller Support. Thanks for watching and happy selling!